Hey, I'm Paul Sullivan. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an omelet. Omelets are really easy to make and they're really fast as well. So all you're gonna need to get started is a pan, some butter or some non-stick spray will work if you have that, a spatula and a whisk, and 3 eggs. You can use as many as you want, but standard's about 3 or 4. And so we're gonna get started. First thing you're gonna wanna do is just get a normal bowl and your eggs. And we're gonna start cracking them in here so we can start whisking them. Once we have all these eggs cracked into a bowl, we can just start whisking at them. The next step will be to add some butter or non-stick spray to the pan, and then put it on about a 5 or 6, basically a medium setting so the butter doesn't burn too hot. And so when we cook the eggs, they won't burn or be too undercooked. After we have some butter in our pan, we can add the eggs finally. Now different stoves will take different times to cook it, but check in about a minute to a minute 30 to see how well it cooks out, and then we can flip it to the other side. As you can see on this side, the eggs seem to be very cooked through, so now we're gonna flip them. Now that we flipped the omelet over, we're just gonna let the other side cook. After letting the other side cook for about a minute, minute 30, we're gonna now take it out of the pan and put it into our plate. As you can see here, we have the final product. Add a little bit more salt and have a taste test. Really good.